Electrical panel design and manufacturing process, a systematic approach to quality control. Understanding system design requirements. Review system design requirements by analyzing customer specifications, environmental conditions, control system architecture, and operational parameters to establish the foundation for panel design. Defining panel specifications. Evaluate and specify panel requirements based on system functionality, including main control panels, remote I/O panels, operator interface panels, and motor control centers needed to support the complete casting system operation. Creating preliminary panel designs. Develop preliminary panel designs incorporating component layout, wiring diagrams, power distribution schemes, and control circuit architecture while ensuring adequate space for maintenance access and future expansion. Electrical engineering review. Submit panel designs for electrical engineering review, where professional engineers validate compliance with electrical codes, safety standards, and system performance requirements while optimizing circuit protection and power distribution. Finalizing electrical panel documentation. Generate final electrical panel documentation, including detailed wiring diagrams, component lists, terminal assignments, and power requirements before releasing to the panel fabrication shop. Component procurement. Procure specified components including PLCs, power supplies, circuit protection devices, terminal blocks, enclosures, and control devices from approved vendors while maintaining quality standards and lead time requirements. Panel fabrication. Execute panel fabrication following approved drawings and specifications, including enclosure modification, component mounting, wire routing, and labeling according to established standards. Conducting continuity testing. Perform comprehensive point-to-point continuity testing of all wiring connections, verifying proper termination, wire sizing, and component installation according to the approved design documentation. UL 508A Compliance Inspection. Conduct UL 508A inspection to verify compliance with industrial control panel standards, including proper component spacing, wire management, grounding implementation, and short-circuit current ratings. As-built documentation package. Compile complete panel documentation package containing as-built drawings, component datasheets, testing certificates, UL certification labels, and required warning labels indicating voltage levels and operational instructions. Panel packaging for shipping. Package panels using vacuum-sealed protective wrap to prevent moisture and contamination. Then secure within custom-built wooden crates designed for international shipping.